These mini rescue videos are going crazy on TikTok right now. One page in this niche gained over 146,000 followers, and their videos are getting millions of views. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can make these videos yourself. This one took me less than 2 minutes to make. First, open ChatGPT. Then go to Explore GPTs and search for Mini Rescue Generator. Open it and click Start Generator. It'll give you 10 different rescue scene ideas. You can choose a number, type your own idea, or just type more if you want extra options. I'm going with number 1. After that, the GPT gives you 2 prompts, one image prompt and one video prompt. Copy the image prompt and open Google Flow. Click on Create Image. Then change the model to Nano Banana. Paste the prompt. Set the size to 9:16. Pick how many images you want and hit Generate. A few seconds later, your image is ready. Now go back and copy the video prompt. Paste it into the video generator and click Generate. And that's it. Your mini rescue video is done. Here are some other videos I made using the same method. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next viral AI ideas. See you in the next one.